welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikisha and you are tuned into Nikisha's Life. If this is your first time coming, welcome. Join the crew. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And if you are returning, welcome back. Today I am so excited. You guys don't even know how excited I am. I am so excited. First of all, I'm excited because God has given me another day on this earth. I have my limbs working. I'm able to see, talk, be in my right mind. So I'm a blessed person off of just that, okay? So the reason I'm super duper excited because I got my new phone. It is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Oops, dropping stuff already, girl. You see? Look at this packaging. It's so pretty, right? This is what one I got, the 128 gigabyte. The specs on the back. Can't really see them because it's blurry. There we go. So I'm going to be doing a little unboxing video for you guys. Just a little bit. Because I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And I don't really update my phones like that regularly. The last one I had was the Note 4. And then I got the Samsung S8, and I absolutely love that phone. And I was like, I'm not going to update until I find or see a phone that I like. Your girl loves this phone. So I'm going to show you the quick unboxing of this video, or of this phone. See, I can't even talk. I'm so excited. And I hope you guys enjoy. Alright. So this is the phone and the packaging. Again, here's the specs on it on the back. And it just has the S Pen. And then on the other side it says Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And then I guess it has how to make sure they have all my information. It has all the fun stuff on the front. Let me get it out of here. I'm trying to just one hand and hold. That didn't work. Hold on, y'all. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. So let's just open these. Oh my God. Alright, so when you first open it, let me zoom in a little bit. When you first open it, it comes like this. It has the Galaxy Note 9 information package, which is this. And inside it has the key for your your SD, to put it in and take it out. And then here it just has the terms and conditions. Not interested in that. It has the get the most out of your phone. Not interested really in that. That's empty. And then the key right here, like I said before. This is it. Look at this baby. And I got the blue one. Look. Oh. I'm so excited. Look at this. It's pretty. I'm going to show you in the light. Look how pretty that is. It's the blue one with the yellow pen. So if you look at the bottom, there's the pen, the plug-in. Oh, and it's the same kind of plug that I have on my phone now. Oh, the jack for the headphones and the speaker. And then on the side, it has the Bixby button, the up and down button, and the power button right here. And then on top it has the SD card and another speaker. You see the color? Oh my gosh, so pretty. So yeah, this is the phone. Let's see what else before we move on to that. Let's see what else is in this packaging. I want that. So we got the charger, which I have plenty of these. I have so many of these, it's not even funny. We have the USB connector. here we have the cord. Ooh, some more headphones. And this is the replacement tips for the pen with a little tool, as well as extra earbuds. That's all that's in there. Let's get back to this baby. Let's power her on. And right now I am recording on my S8, which I'm going to be sending back. Look at it. Let's let that power on. Your girl is happy. You hear me? Happy, 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 happy. I was like, I want a new phone. Oh, look at the camera. This is the finger sensor, the 2 dual cameras, the flash. This is what the back looks like for the.
Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding.
So it's asking to set up and everything like that. So what I'm gonna do is set this up, and I'll be back to play with it.
Voice
Okay.
Assistant is a navigation
I'll be back.
feature for the visually challenged and impaired. To turn on Voice Assistant, touch and hold the screen with.
So I didn't set my phone up yet. I just got to the point where I can have the home screen. Look, your girl is happy. I absolutely am happy I got this. And I already bought I gotta get this off too. I already bought one thing I don't like about it though, already off top, is the fact that you got his fingerprints and stuff on there. I don't like that. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I went to a place. I got this cheap little case right here just to put on so I can hold it, have it protected until I get me a real one. I ordered one. I'm waiting for it to come in the mail. But I was not walking around with this unprotected. So I got this. And then I also got this to put on top of it. Like I said, just for now, until I get the actual protector I want an outer box, because I'm not trying to drop this phone. This stuff is too expensive, and I normally don't even do expensive phones. Like, this phone is really expensive, but I absolutely loved it that much, and I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and get it. Why not? It was time for me to upgrade anyway, so it wasn't much down. I had to pay for shipping for $10, and that was it. So I'm happy. So yeah, I'm gonna go play with my new phone and see all what it does, and that is bad grammar. See all that it can do, and yeah, I'll let you guys know and follow up. Okay, this video was really short. I know. But I just wanted to show you this unboxing video real quick because I was so excited. I was at work like, come on, time to go. Checking the time. It's not time yet. Then they finally came. I heard the truck come up the street, and I literally ran outside. Yeah, I know, sad, I know. But anyway, I hope you guys